Hello, in this lecture, we're gonna discuss about the DNS basic, the DNS resource recording. The DNS server holds different type of entry, which are called resources record. This resource record are used to provide the DNS based on the data about computers on the networking. In this lecture, I'm going to provide you general overview of the most common type of resource record on the DNS. First type is called SOA, Statute Authority recording. Every zone contain an SOA resource record. The SOA is contain information about the DNS server that provide the data or the data for this zone. Next is the resource recording called NS, name server. Every zone has a name server. Thirdly, Scholar A, which is IP address, mapping FQDN, also known as fully qualified domain name, to the IP address. Example, a fully qualified domain name would be Geotag or geotag.com, IP address 01.0218. All right, that is the last resources recording type that we need to cover in this lecture. There are a lot of information in this lecture, and it's likely you are not going to remember at all. You might need to check this one out more than once. Great job. Get into this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.